welcome back to the vlog. Right here, plastic adhesion promoter, the paint, gold for heat, engine paint, and then some clear coat. Alcohol go first. Well, this actually go first. So you sand it, clean it with alcohol, put the adhesion promoter, put the paint, and then put the clear coat on top. So this is what I'm doing today. Kabam! I took the engine cover and it was silver and then black, and then it had the Lexus emblem right in there. So what I did, I put tape and cover all the black, paint the silver in gold, then paint the emblem in gold, which I'm gonna put here, and then I took the paper off and then I put clear coat in the whole cover. So I put clear coat in the whole cover. I didn't paint this part, I left it the way it was. I did paint the symbol, I'm gonna put it in here. And then those are the hella horns, which they came red, so I paint them in gold too. So there you go. So if you have any questions, you already know, just leave it in the comment section. And I leave the links of the paint, I believe, that I bought, and the hella horns for the Lexus 2019 Lexus IS. This is the horns right here without the piece. And so once that dry, I'm gonna put that in there. That'll be it for today. That's the video for today. So you already know it's a simple and easy mod. You know what I mean? Just take a little time, and it gives so much detail to the engine bay when you open it up. So I'm trying to go black. I'm trying to go like full black kinda, but I want to have gold details on it, like bronze gold. So yeah, I went to order the emblems for the car, and the emblems, they come 24K gold. I don't know why, 24K plated. You cannot find just straight up paint, gold paint emblems, so they like super expensive. So what I did, that I ordered the chrome ones, cause you see the one that came with the car already painted black, but now I changed my mind, I want them gold. So I don't want to overspray them, so I ordered the chrome ones new, and when I get them here, then I'm gonna put the gold paint on it. And another thing, when I got the hella horns, the things in front of the hella horns is red, but you cannot sand it and then clean it with alcohol and then put the gold in it, because the red is too dark. In order for you to put the gold, you have to show you. In order for you to put the gold, you have to paint it with chrome paint, like a silver or chrome. And then after that, right, then you put the gold on the top. Because if you try to do it on this dark color or any dark color, it won't take the chrome, because the chrome is kind of like a see-through paint. You know what I mean? Got like a thick paint like the black. So you have to put silver or chrome paint in order for you to get the gold in it. Let me show you the paint that I use before I put the gold, because now on the engine cover I didn't have to put no spray paint because the engine cover was already silver, so that helped. But I put this, you see I got the metallic chrome, so I just spray chrome, just one hand, and then on top of that, then you put the color, if it's gonna be like a soul red or like a gold or any color like that. But anyway, that's the video for today. Too long. Until the next one, be safe. You already know. Thanks to the new subscribers, and hit the like button, hit the bell, support the channel. Until the next one.